that in two. We'll check to make sure you can't see that from the end. You can. Just gonna rip a bit off. Probably would have been better with clear tape, actually, which I have a roll of. Let's see, this is already half an hour long. I won't bore you with that then. And then that's right. Doesn't that look a lot nicer than having the duct tape on there? Alright, so go ahead and get that plugged back in. Make sure. And then I got the sensor caught up. That heat temperature sensor is not wanting to cooperate at all, the least bit. Alright. Oh, hey, that's right, I saw that duct tape right there. Just go ahead and pull that out. Alright. You're ready to get my... Alright, there we go. One. Damn tripod. One installed analog readout. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on again for you. Just get that plugged in. Alright, volume. And see? That's real nice. Real nice analog sensor right there. You can see it moving. Temp sensor seems to be working. Oh, there it is right there. Don't know if you can see that, but you should be able to. Oh. And everything else is in and installed. Oh, got the audio going back to it, so once I get some sound pumping through this, I'll throw up another video. Well, I'm almost out of room on this stick, so I'll see you around. This has been Quick Fix with not so quick install. Alright.